Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is very urgent update and emergency update for all Cardano holder because my brother Cardano is fails down. So I predicate this coin, I do technical analysis, and I share my opinion. What's my expectation is good, very good, my friends, for Cardano or not. Let's see, my brother. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright holders, so if you can see here, first of all, Cardano is fails down, but definitely my friends, this time you can see here in the last one hour they change occur and positive, so it's mean to Cardano is starting moving upward after a very long break. Now what's the reason, my friends, today starting moving upward? The reason is that to holder or hold it, and absolutely this is now the mid of this month, so therefore every cryptocurrency is starting moving upward in the mid of month. So holder, if we get this coin, then we understand, my brothers, to really can there is a chance to they will give you a profit in this month or not, my brother. And what's the emergency? Yeah, a lot of holders ask me to what's the emergency, especially because of my previous videos already they ask us to what's an emergency in this video. So the emergency is that, my brother, to holders don't do any mistake. They cannot starting selling, they cannot starting my friend losting. So therefore I make this video for urgent all of you, to you or my brother. I share my opinion and absolutely you understand to what we do in this critical situation. So try to understand, this is very emergency holder, my brother. So this time you can see, my brother, after a short jump, if you can see, my friends, they fails down. So absolutely, my friend, after a fail, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump. So it's 100% sure, my brothers, to after this fails they also take a very huge jump now. So it's mean to upcoming time this coin will make you a millionaire now, and they completely go in the moon now, because my brother, absolutely this chart is showing, my brothers, to upcoming time this coin is going moving upward now. So if this is real, my brother, then definitely they will hit the highest points and they will go in the moon now. So if they will go in the moon now, so you need to hold, and if you have any plan to invest more, then absolutely this is good time, my brothers, to you hold and invest now. So this time you can see, my brother, Cardano price, latest price 1.63 USD dollar, and this time you can see here the Chinaker 1.05%. It's a very good job, my friend. If we check out last 24-hour chart, then definitely absolutely we understand, my brother, to this coin is fails down. Yeah, I'm 100% sure, my brother, to in last 24 hours this coin is fails down. Yeah, you can see here, but after a short jump this coin is fails down. So therefore I think this will be gonna good now. You can see, my brother, especially after this fails they take a very good jump now, and you can see here again and again this circulation is absolutely, my friends, moving upward now. So holders, I think you need to hold and don't sell it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.